Good morning, everyone. I'm Nadine, and I'm here to give you today's trading notes. For the U.S. markets, Nasdaq jumps more than 2%, led by Amazon. S&P 500 goes positive for 2020. Nasdaq jumped 264 points as Amazon led other tech stocks higher, surging 7.9% after a Goldman Sachs analyst hiked its target price to $3,800 per share. Meanwhile, another vaccine candidate developed by Oxford and AstraZeneca produced a promising immune response in a large, early-stage human trial. Moving on to the local market. The local market continues to show decreasing value turnover as investors turn more cautious amid the increasing virus cases and as they wait for more earnings report to come out. The rally yesterday was mostly due to Ali and SMPH after the former gained approval from PSE for its REIT listing, which is expected to boost the property sector. Watch out for the immediate resistance at 6,200 and for the major support at 6,000 since risks are still to the downside for the country in the absence of a working vaccine. Meanwhile, the Philippine peso rallies to a 3-year high. Our view? The peso closed at 49.375 pesos per US dollar, its strongest close in 3 years. The peso has been one of the strongest currencies regionally this year. We expect the peso to remain resilient as the US dollar continues to weaken and as imports continue to deteriorate amid the pandemic. Moreover, a survey from PwC Philippines or Isla Lipana & Co. in partnership with the Tourism Department surveyed 247 tourism decision makers last May. The survey showed 88% expect over 50% revenue losses, 7% expect 40 to 50% losses, while 3% expect 30 to 40% losses. In terms of recovery, 42% expect operations to normalize in 6 to 12 months, while 21% expect it to happen after a year. Our view? Recall that tourism accounted for 12.7% of GDP in 2019 and employed 5.7 million people or 13.5% of total jobs. Tourism continues to slump on the back of continued global travel ban. Even though the country has opened its borders, we don't expect fast recovery for the industry as it is still very risky to travel in the country, given that the Philippines has the highest number of active cases in ASEAN. That wraps up today's market outlook. Join us again tomorrow for your daily trading notes. Stay safe!